Now let's move to a graph. And we'll take a straight line as soon as I get a piece of paper here. And I'll put a little more detail on this graph than in some other situations. Let's have each of these worth 1 on both the x and the y axes. So -1, -2, -1, -2, 1, and 2. And let's have a nice straight line that goes something like that. And let's think about this. First of all, is it a function? Our vertical line test is good. The vertical line only passes through this once, so this is a function. The question is, what is our domain? The domain is all the x values you can ever possibly have. And what we see is we can have an x value of 0. That'll give us a point here. We could have an x value of 1. We could have an x value of 2. We could have an x coordinate of 10 somewhere out here. We could have an x coordinate of -10 somewhere out here. And it just keeps going forever. The arrows indicate that the line does not end. Our domain is all real numbers. That is also true of our range. Again, I can have a y coordinate of -2 or of +2. I can have a y coordinate of 1 billion or -1 billion. So our range is also all real numbers. And that will always be the case for a linear function, a straight line like this. We can write those in interval notation, the set of all real numbers, as the interval from -infinity to infinity, like that.